Did you know your credit score just got a major upgrade? In 2026, two new models, FICO 10T and VantageScore 4.0, are changing how lenders see you. But which one actually matters for your loan approval? Picture this. You apply for a mortgage, and your credit score drops by 50 points overnight. Not because you missed a payment, but because of a new scoring model. That's the reality with FICO 10T and VantageScore 4.0, the latest updates shaking up credit in 2026. First, let's break down FICO 10T. It's the newest model from Fair Isaac Corporation, and it introduces trended data, meaning it looks at your credit behavior over the last 2 years, not just a snapshot. So if you've been carrying high balances, it could hurt you more than ever. Now, VantageScore 4.0. Developed by the three major credit bureaus, it uses machine learning to predict risk more accurately. It also considers rent and utility payments, which is huge for people with thin credit files. But here's the kicker. It weighs recent behavior more heavily. So what's the big difference? FICO 10T is stricter on debt trends. If you've been maxing out cards, expect a hit. VantageScore 4.0 is more forgiving if you've improved recently, but it punishes late payments harder. Think of it as FICO caring about your habits, VantageScore caring about your momentum. Here's where it gets real. Lenders. Most mortgages still use older FICO scores, but auto loans and credit cards are starting to adopt these new models. In 2026, experts predict 70% of lenders will use FICO 10T or VantageScore 4.0 within 5 years. So you need to prep now. How to optimize for both. Number one, pay down revolving debt fast. FICO 10T hates high balances over time. Number two, never miss a payment, especially with VantageScore 4.0's focus on recency. And number three, report your rent if possible. It's a free boost for VantageScore. Common mistake alert. Assuming your score is the same everywhere. With these models, your FICO 10T and VantageScore 4.0 can differ by up to 100 points. Always check both before a big application and avoid opening new accounts right before. It looks risky in trended data. So which one matters more in 2026? For now, FICO 10T is gaining traction with major lenders, but VantageScore 4.0 is closing the gap. My advice, focus on the basics: low utilization, on-time payments, and long credit history. That works for any model. What's your biggest question about FICO 10T or VantageScore 4.0? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone and might feature it in a future video. And if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more credit tips in 2026.